Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today I will be talking about how you can actually check the delivery or a delivery percentage of a stock. So I also would like to inform you what exactly is the delivery percentage of a particular stock. So uh, the delivery percentage actually means that people are ready to hold a particular stock. So if the percentage is more, then that means that there are a lot of investors who are actually showing buying interest into it. The delivery percentage also means that uh, one stock is actually going from one demat account to another demat account. So this is a very important parameter whenever you are investing for short term or even for a long term. Again, for short term for long term things can change, but for short term, definitely this is a good parameter from which you can actually see where where the stock might be heading. So you do get the daily report on one article which you get from Money Control every day, trade setup for the next day. However, you can also check this individually. So if there is any favorite stock you have and which you want to invest it, first check the delivery percentage. So here I would want to show the delivery percentage. um, I'm going to take stock Yes Bank. So as you know, Yes Bank actually tanked almost 10% today, more than 10%, and made a week 32, 12 months low today, and then it recovered from its low. So let's check the delivery percentage of it. It is only 16.76%. Usually, if it is more than 30 or 40%, that actually means a really good amount, really good percentage. 16.76 is not a very convincing percentage for, especially for a stock like Yes Bank. So um, this is not a suggestion that it will go down, but it there is a possibility that it can go down further too. Um, it did. It did recovered from its low based on certain news, but then here I'm not going to talk about it. So let's check another stock, Sipla. So so all you need to do is go to the NSE website on the home page, and here you just type the stock where you want to actually check the symbol, and once you get it, you come down and click here security wise delivery position. So here, as you can see, there is a 54.55% delivery percentage, which is really good, and this is a quantity across client level, which has moved from one demat account to another demat account. The 52 weeks low is around 507.20, and as you can see from its recent high made a couple of months ago, it has actually crashed um, more than, yeah, I don't know, 10 30%, yeah, almost to make so it has crashed. It is near to its yearly low at the moment. So 507.20 is 52-week low, and it is close to near, and it's not near to the high. So, and the delivery percentage is suggesting a good number too. So these are some parameters which you can see. Again, you also need to check some other parameters too. Like this is a Nifty stock, but this is also a Nifty pharma stock. This sector is currently in a consolidation mode, and that is the reason you would have to see a lot of things. If you are a long-term investor, this you can actually accumulate stocks like these. But for short term, also the sector may, if the sector is not performing, there is a good chance that it will break this low too. But this delivery percentage will actually show that there is a lot of buying interest seen at these lower levels. So when there are a lot of buying interest seen in these lower levels, there is a good possibility that there is also a chance for a bounce back from these levels. So that's exactly what delivery percentage actually means. And this is just one of the parameters from which you can actually check. Usually Nifty 50 stocks are good stocks to invest. even for short term or for long term. If the trend is good, then it's a good place to invest. Here, how to select and find out the Nifty 50 stocks. Here is a good way. You can actually see, you need to go to in.investing.com, and all you need to do here is India indices here. And once you click on it, click on Nifty 50 here. Once you click on Nifty 50, you will get the chart and weekly chart and things like that. And click on the constituents here. Once you click on the constituents, you will actually see the whole list of Nifty 50 stock. Now, if you are in the live market, this is a good place to actually go. And if you click on delivery and the volume, Yes Bank actually was had the most number of volumes today on 29th November, and it also actually was down, and it actually recovered from its intraday low. Also, if you click on these other this stock, there were a lot of trading which happened in this stock, and a lot of buyers and sellers showed interest in Yes Bank. So this is a place where you can actually find out where the trades are happening. Another important thing you can see here is you can click on the change here, change percentage. So in this way you will know which are the top losers here from Nifty 50 stocks. If you click on it again, you would see these are the top gainers. So again, these are important information which you need to keep it in mind. Based on that, and then based on that, you can probably also take the trade for the next day, known as BTST, buy today, sell tomorrow, and things like that. So usually Nifty 50 stocks are very fundamentally and technically very strong, unless there is a technical indicator, or even the global economy. There are some bad news. Sentiments are negative. The things are different, and there is a possibility that index stocks might be under selling pressure. But when the trend is positive and if it is looking bullish, these stocks would generally outperform the overall market sentiment itself. So in this way you can actually check this, and in this way, as I told you, in this way you would have an overall idea about which stocks are actually performing and why Nifty 50 is in plus and things like that. So yeah, so hope you enjoyed this informative video. If you have any questions or clarifications, feel free to comment below, and I'll be happy to answer them. Thank you, and I will see you again on the next video.